Have you ever had this problem? The battery in your TV remote suddenly dies, and you can't change the channel. But here's a simple trick: remove the old battery, take a small piece of wire, and place it where the battery was. Surprisingly, the remote starts working again for a while. It's not a permanent fix, but it's a clever emergency hack to keep watching your favorite shows until you get new batteries. Here's a great solution. Take a small iron pipe and place it inside. Cut the pipe lengthwise, then cut the nail in half. Hammer the nail in as far as you can. Then put the rest of the nail into the pipe, place it on top, and hammer it in again. This way, the nail goes all the way in without damaging the coating. A simple but effective trick for tricky spots.